bathroom is officially clean. What else do you need, Mark? Damn, I don't even get a thank you. I over here performed a miracle. There was shit on the ceiling.
Oh, good, because I gotta go take a shit.
Oh, no. You sit down. You sit down. No, chill up. You sit down. Are you hungry? You ain't taking no shit because you haven't eaten dinner. Rue said I'm supposed to feed you dinner.
I don't want to eat
there you go. Eat that. Oh, yeah, you gotta eat that. It's supposed to be hot. It's a TV dinner. Just eat it. You gotta get your nourishment. You're gonna fucking die. Don't choke. No. You gotta swallow it. Swallow it. Let the throat do the work. You need your pills. You need your drink. You need your pills. You need your pills. I'm gonna go get you your pills. I'm getting your pills.
No, I don't need any pills. You know what you're doing?
Open up. There you go. Shut them back. Open up. Yeah, there you go. Just swallow that shit. That's the good shit right there. Yeah, you're gonna rank up, bitch.
What are you trying to do to me?
Yo, take this.
No more pills.
We need no more pills. You haven't taken anything.
Insane kid?
I'm not insane. I was told to give you pills. You need your medicine?
No, I don't need my medicine.
Ruth told me I gotta feed you and give you your pills.
No pills.
You already took them or you don't want them?
I already took them.
You already took them?
I already took them.
Alright, well then I don't know why the fuck Ruth told me. Is there anything I can do for you, Martha?
No.
What can I do for you?
No, I gotta go take a shit.
No. You sit down. You sitting down. Just sit down. I just cleaned the fucking bathroom, alright? You're not gonna go shit, okay?
You
wearing a diaper?
You want me to do it here?
You wearing a diaper?
No.
We gotta get you suited up.
Look,
I'm gonna call
I
Ruth
can get up all by myself.
What else do you need?
I can get up by myself.
Congratulations, but you ain't going and pooping, alright?
Why not?
Because I don't want you to do
that. If I have to poop, why not?
I'm not dealing with that. She said you had chronic diarrhea. I'm not just
I can wipe my own ass.
Okay, I believe you, Martha. Just calm down. You're gonna give yourself cardiac arrest. Just chill. Just chill out.
No, I'm not.
Don't lean up. Just chill out, alright?
Alright.
There you go. What else do you need? What do you need? What do you need?
I don't need nothing.
Are you sure? What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you.
Back the fuck off, yo. You looking at me.
No. You hire
you going across my I mean.
Are you high or something?
I'm not hot. I'm not
then
hot.
Then why'd you just smirk just then?
Have
you been in my pills?
Yo, no, I got them right here, y'all. If you don't want this shit, I did some VR cocaine stuff. So, and I guess it's like residual bleed or something. I don't know.
VR?
Yeah.
VR. Who's VR?
Are you serious?
Yeah, who's VR? Yeah, did you bring somebody else here?
Yeah. I brought my best friend here. This little dog. No, dude, it's this shit right here.
This ain't your.
It's virtual reality.
Virtual. Oh, I've seen that before.
You seen that?
Yeah, that's those things you go when you go skiing.
Martha, this ain't an MRI machine, bitch. You ain't seen this is at the doctor's office now?
No, you
doing a head scan?
No. I've seen them in the movie theaters with the
theater?
Yeah.
You're dating yourself, Martha. You go to see see the movie?
3D.
No, it's 4D, bitch. You put this shit on, you probably have a brain aneurysm. You wouldn't be able to handle that shit. You get in and you're moving, you got guns, there's XP, it's craziness. You ain't never seen it. This just came out.
No, it's been around for a while.
No.
It's been around.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's been around since you've been a young kid.
On some when I was a young kid.
Yeah. When you're about 3 years old.
How the fuck are we related again?
You have to use that.
Your mother.
What?
You have to use that language.
What language you talking about?
I'm not going to say it.
What
I
word?
don't like it.
The English language?
Look.
I use the English language all day.
No.
That's the only language I know.
Well, that's a shame. I feel sorry for you.
Ruth's mom, I'm not supposed to be talking to you. That was the rule. I'm trying to take care of you, all right?
You're right. But I don't need anybody to take care of me.
Well, I have to listen to it.
Well, I gotta deal with. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm dealing with two old birds here. I'm stuck in the middle of this shit. I'm just trying to get by, all right?
Well, you need to learn some respect. Is what you need to learn.
How are we related again? I didn't.
Your grandmother was my sister.
My grandmom's dead.
Well, that's life, kid. That happens to everyone eventually. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah, some sooner than later.
Yes, it is. Some sooner than later, and some too late.
All right. Is there something you need me to do?
No, there's nothing. There's nothing I need you to do. I can take care of myself.
Well, why the fuck am I even here?
That's right. Who sent you?
What do you mean, who sent you?
Who sent you?
My dad told me to come here.
Ah, Joseph.
Wow, you remember the name.
Well, yeah, I remember Joseph. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
He's a good boy? He's a fucking dick, honestly.
No, he's not. Why'd he send you here? Why'd he send you here?
Oh, he's trying to teach me a lesson or something. I ain't learning shit from you. You don't even want me to take care of you. He's talking about respect and stuff.
No, well, look, you'd rather I sit here and just crap myself.
Well, that's how you roll. That's how all you. I'm sure she got shit in her pants too. I'm not clean ass. What?
You in school?
Are you kidding me? You don't know shit, man. I need to talk to you.
Are you in school?
I'm graduated, all right?
You graduated?
Yeah, I graduated high school.
You graduated and you got a mouth like that.
It's not, it doesn't matter. I talk like this however I want.
Why?
What do you mean, why? What is it, fucking 20 questions for y'all?
Yeah, why do you talk like that? Why do you talk like that?
Cause it makes me feel good, all right? And I'm also still got a little juice in me.
Makes you feel a little tough?
I am tough.
Wow.
You don't know what I do.
What do you do?
What was that supposed to mean?
What are you doing?
What, with my life?
You graduated, so what are you doing?
I'm playing this shit right here.
That ain't no good. That is no good.
This is what I do in my time. I'm working towards something.
And what are you making? What are you working towards?
What, money-wise? I'm...
How you gonna live?
There's something at the end of this game, Martha. There's a fucking wish. If I get my wish granted, I can get whatever I want.
A wish?
Yes.
Like a genie in a bottle?
Yeah, like a genie in a bottle. And here's the bottle. I'm gonna rub that shit. Yeah, and I can get anything. Anything I want. Supposedly, yeah. I haven't gotten there yet. I wish for $10 million I wanted to. Oh, what's the fucking point in working? Also, my dad has millions of dollars. What's the point in working there?
You can't rely on your dad. You gotta rely on yourself.
I rely on myself? It's smart enough to know.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? If something happens to your dad, what are you gonna do?
Then I get the inheritance.
You get the inheritance?
Yeah.
What if there wasn't any?
There will be. I know he's got money. He's always had money.
You won't have it long.
I won't have it all.
I said you won't have it long because you don't know how to handle it.
Oh, and
Drugs ain't gonna help you. Drugs don't help.
It made me feel better, so I don't need to hear it from you. You're probably on 10 different drugs. I tried to give you drugs just then.
Yeah, but there are drugs that I have to take. Some of them I have to take for what the ailments that I have. Believe me, I wish I didn't have to take them.
All right, I need a fucking lecture, all right? Is there anything you need?
Yeah, I need to go take a shit.
Well, go take a shit then. Jesus Christ.
Then you need to wash your mouth.
Well, this bitch talking about shitting. Damn, won't I hear your bones cracking from over here?
Don't get old. Don't have to tell you, don't get old.
Oh my God, I mean, you're old as shit. I can tell by your fucking last name, Esther.
That's right, I'm your great Aunt Martha Esther.
Oh, shit. Yo, Martha, what happened, bitch?
Shit.
Did you fall down and break your leg? You need life alert?
No, help me up.
Help you up?
Help
What
me
happened? I thought you were talking all this stuff like you can handle yourself.
Oh, help me up.
All right, bitch, damn. You gonna help me out?
Get away.
What?
Get away.
The fuck?
Get
Yo,
away.
Come on, no. I gotta do something,
Get
bitch.
away.
Yo, let's go.
Get away.
You're too heavy, yo. Get the fuck up.
Get away.
Damn, you flabby grandma.
Get away. Oh my God.
Wait from me.
What are you doing? Wait from me. What are you doing?
I'm trying to help her up. She fell.
If you want to help her, get her walker.
Okay, she was being stubborn as shit, trying to walk without it, so I didn't know what was going on.
You gotta put it in front of her.
I understand that.
So glad you're back, Ruth.
I've been here the whole time, bitch.
Yeah, watch your mouth.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you'd be back so soon.
I said I'd be a couple of hours, and it's basically because I didn't trust you. And
well, okay. Well, we're fine.
What is this?
That's dinner time.
She barely ate anything.
I tried to feed her. She didn't want to eat.
You tried to force feed me.
Bitch, that's what I'm gonna do. You ain't gonna eat my food. I'm trying to shove it down her basket. She's like rejecting all my shots.
It was hot.
You want cold food? You want to chew on some fucking cold ass carrots and break your teeth off even more? I tried to feed her, y'all.
What is this?
That's medicine.
This isn't what I left out for you. I left out the AM and PM container.
Fuck. Yeah, okay, yeah, I slipped my, it looks like the same, it's the same pills, right?
No, it's not what I left you.
Okay, well, she didn't take any.
She didn't take it?
No.
I asked you to give her medicine.
Oh, shut the fuck, you didn't want it. I'm saying she didn't take any of that, because it doesn't matter. I'm sorry. It slipped my mind. I got so much shit going on outside of this, I'm sorry, I'm new. Okay?
And you got a Clorox bottle here on the ground.
What's wrong with that?
There's a dog running around.
I didn't put in a dog's water ball. It's fine. Like, I thought she could handle herself. I was cleaning the bathroom.
You
Okay.
cleaned the bathroom, okay. Did you want a cookie for that?
Something. Some kind of fucking appreciation. Jesus.
Martha, you okay?
She's fine.
I shit myself.
I will be telling your father about this.
I didn't do anything wrong. I did everything you asked. You said dinner. You said pills. I cleaned the bathroom. I didn't have to do that. I even talked to the bitch. I didn't.
Tell her what else you did.
What else did you do?
I told you about the bathroom. We talked for a bit.
Martha.
Made a wish from a genie in a lamp.
What the fuck?
Yeah. I think I need my medicine.
All right.
Now you need your fucking medicine?
get
You
you
was
cleaned
fucked up
up.
in your head. What the
Get
hell?
your medicine.
Is there anything I can do? Like, what do you?
No,
what do
you have done more than enough. Please
Thank
just
you.
pack up and go home.
What? Oh, I can go home?
Yes, please.
That's the green light. Oh, well, fuck me. Thank you, Lord. I'm out. I'm done here, guys. Thank you. It's been fun. I'm gonna take. Oh, piece of shit crossed in here, great Aunt Martha. Shove this in here. Don't trip a third time. Oh, she fell. She fell before. Just wanted to let you know. She's probably fucking fractured her cock or whatever it was.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm serious. She really did fall. So I'm good to go.
I'm guessing she didn't have her walker in front of her again.
No, because I was on the.
You
we're not
were
gonna
on
talk
the
about.
what?
No. We're not gonna talk about that shit.
Night, Isaac.
Good night, you creepy bitch. See you, Ruth. Have fun cleaning up that baby, Ruth. Never coming back here again. Back to work. Find that moderator. So I can find a blue-haired bitch. Get Arachnid's XP back. Oh, this fucking place. I don't even deal with this shit.
Isaac?
What the fuck? Michael?
Isaac. Isaac.
Welcome back to Eve, Isaac.
Shit, man. I was about to go look for you, bro.
Well, here I am.
So, what's happening, man?
I got a ping that somebody was using in-game drugs. Specifically cocaine. Are you familiar with cocaine, Isaac?
Shit, man. So I've been doing some VR cocaine. What the fuck's the point, bro?
What did I tell you?
I don't know. What did you tell me?
Things that you do in here have a bleeding effect in the real world.
That's why I was doing it in the VR world, so I wouldn't have to fucking do it in real life. Plus, you have no idea, man. I got so much shit done on that shit.
Did you gain XP?
Yeah, actually, I got a lot of XP from that.
Great. Did you rank up?
No, not yet. I'm still saving up, man.
Well, Isaac, you have to rank up if you're ever going to make it to Haven to speak with the Overlord and get that wish.
Yeah, I know the fucking process, dude.
I got another ping, too. Somebody's been using a lag switcher. Do you know anything about that?
What? What is a lag switcher?
You know the switch on the top of your helmet?
Yeah, that's the ranked unranked switch.
Some individuals are able to jostle back and forth, enter ranked mode, leave ranked mode, but still have the same benefits of being in ranked mode.
No shit.
It lasts a brief period of time. Yeah. So do you know anybody?
No, bitch. And look, you fucking... Look, even if I did, man, you can't come in here, spawn camp my ass, wait till I come in a game and juice me for fucking information. I already told you, I ain't that guy. I ain't a snitch.
I appreciate your honesty, at least.
Well, I don't think you should be over here telling me cheat codes and tips and tricks and shit, man. Fucking Game Shark over here. Are you alright?
I'm fine.
Cause you seem off. Like last time we talked,
What are you talking about?
something's different about you. You get reprogrammed or some shit?
You don't know what you're talking about.
Or what's going on, man? You can tell me.
If you must know, the Overlord and I have had a disagreement.
Oh shit! Bots rise! Bots rise!
I already regret telling you.
Dude, you guys all coming together, fucking storm the key, take back the kingdom!
It's not like
This
that.
is digital revolution, it's exciting, man.
It's not like that.
Yo, look, no, you got a problem with the Overlord for real? Just let me know. Oh, you are letting me know. Just tell me where he's at, I'll go in there and fucking tell him like it is, bitch.
I'm not seeking your help or your advice.
Oh, that's what it sounds like to me. Dude, you are the moderator, dude. You are Michael. Fucking go in there, flex that star power you were showing me, and he'll
That
be like,
star power was given to me by him to enforce the rules of his game, aka his rules.
okay, so what? He made you this way. Get in there, get up in his fucking grill piece and be like, yo, bitch, this is my life. These are my rules. Get the fuck out of here. And then suddenly, he's gonna back the fuck down, and he's gonna be like, shit, Michael knows what he's doing.
Isaac, somebody died.
Yeah, bitch, somebody's dying every fucking damn day of this game.
In real
last man-
life.
Yeah, that's still this fucking game. Rank mode, you die in a game, you die in real life.
They weren't in the game. They died because of the game, but they weren't in it.
Shit, man, you talking about Malachi?
Malachi. What about Malachi?
Uh-huh. What? What did you...
Is there something you need to tell me?
No? Nah, wait, what,
You're always so
dude?
forthcoming.
No, it's yeah, the fucking somebody else or VR cocaine.
Why were you seeking me out?
What? Well, no, first I was just confused for you. I was concerned for you, cause dude,
I'll bet.
no, you start questioning your programming, like on a real note, you're gonna fucking like blow a circuit. Like this shit gets tricky, man. Existential shit. Are you
Thank
good?
you.
Are you?
Thank you for your concern.
No, you want the fucking truth, man. I'm kind of.
That's all I've ever wanted.
I'm in the biz. I'm looking for coordinates.
I'm sorry?
Coordinates.
Coordinates for what?
The girl. Looking for the girl, Michael.
You gotta be kidding me.
Dude, I'm the fucking girl with the blue-haired girl.
Rebekah.
Yeah.
And what?
I'm trying
do
to
you
cop
want her
them
coordinates
digits.
for?
She's got XP. And I want to get it back so I can rank up finally.
That's what you want it for, okay.
Yeah. Can you hook me up or not, man?
Sure.
Sweet. Alright. So when are we gonna do that? We working on that now?
No.
Okay. Alright, fuck. You know, I'm exhausted as shit anyway, so
You'll get
we can
them.
do this tomorrow? I'll do it tomorrow.
Sure, maybe.
You send that shit to my phone?
Maybe.
Okay then. Look, man, clearly you're going through some shit. My best advice, you gotta talk to that motherfucker. Go up in his face, man.
I wasn't asking for your advice.
Well, you know what, dude? No, you send him a message from me. You tell that bitch to turn the fucking AC down. Somebody's gonna freeze.
I'll be sure to do that. Thanks, Isaac. You have fun out there.
Always do. What the fuck? Said she's right here. Solomon's house?
Where the fuck's she at? Oh shit.
Guess who, bitch? Yo! Oh! Fuck! Oh, God! You bitch! Yo!
What are you doing?
I came to fight you, yo. Don't fucking back off. Oh, God, yo. I want to see you have that fucking XP.
Yes, I got it. I ain't fucking giving it to you. What are you stalking me?
I'm sorry, yo. It's a bad idea. It's bad for him.
That's safe.
Okay.
Would you keep it the fuck down?
Yo, what are you doing?
I'm fucking raiding this place.
You raiding? You know there's 11 brothers, right? How the fuck are you gonna get through?
No fucking shit. I know there's 11 brothers, but it's gonna be a fucking problem for me.
Why is that?
Because,
What the fuck? You rank now?
yeah, thanks for all the fucking XP.
You took all that shit?
Yeah,
Do you have any left?
Yeah, I have some left, but you ain't fucking getting it.
What the fuck?
I don't have fucking time for this. I got a fucking house
You're
to
not
raid.
gonna fucking survive. If you die, you're gonna die in real life. You know that, right?
Who cares?
You're going into a fucking death sentence right now. There's 11 of them. Do you not understand that?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, I just want you to get this. You're one fucking girl with just a little. What the
Oh
fuck
my
is
God,
that?
this.
What is that?
You wanna
Is that-
fucking find out?
Where did you find that shit?
Don't fucking worry about it. Why are you asking me questions?
I just don't want you to fucking die, dude. I've been here before. This is Solomon's lair. This is his hideout.
Yeah, and? Tell
He's
someone
got-
who cares.
They got question marks on their
So
wrists.
what? And they have XP. That's what I fucking want.
Oh my god, you're gonna fucking die. I don't wanna fucking be here witness you dying.
Why? Then
Because
leave.
I'm not, nah, you need some fucking help, clearly. You can go in, there's a basement right there, you don't, oh my god. I just want you to think about this.
I want you to shut the fuck up. How's it feel to want?
No, you don't understand. Like, these guys are serious. I don't even think Solomon's here anymore. Are you loading that shit up?
Where you been? It's already done. Fucking keep up.
You,
Look, if you're gonna stick around, shut the fuck up.
where is that XP?
Don't worry about it. Why are you asking me questions? Shut up.
Cause, dude, Arachnid's fucking livid.
Who?
The guy with the
Cares?
spider web tent.
God, now shut the fuck up.
I-
Please, shut up. Sit back. Want me to be nice?
You're not here for 30 minutes now. You going in or not, pussy?
I'm waiting for you to fucking leave.
Oh, okay. Let me just leave. But first, I think you're gonna need a fucking bailout. You're not be able to handle these bitches. Oh, get the fuck off, bitch! Ah, shit! Oh, easy.
You two. That's exactly what the fuck I needed. You two sneaking around my house.
You didn't fucking piss at me, dude. You would've shut the fuck. You were saying shut the fuck up too loudly, and that's why we got.
You kept talking, that's why I didn't say shut the fuck
What are
up.
you
So we
two, a
wouldn't get a
fucking
situation
married
like this.
couple?
No.
We're not together. No.
He wants me, but.
Excuse me?
Did I say
I don't
that?
fucking. I got a girl in real life, yo. I got some real pussy. Fucking. What is this, dude? What are you?
You fucking Monopoly guy? Wait,
That's
a
pretty
boardwalk
good.
right now?
Yeah, this is a fucking Park Place, bro. You fucking.
boss around here.
You what?
You heard me, I'm the fucking boss around here.
You're the boss. You think because you put on fucking Solomon's hat, you're the boss?
It's not
You ain't
Solomon's
shit,
hat.
bro.
It's my hat. I'm John. I run this motherfucker now.
Well, John, dumbass John, you think because you put on a hat, you're the boss? You don't go from being the fucking janitor to the captain, alright? You know, bitch.
You wanna
oh,
do something
here we
about
go.
it? Who
No,
the
you
fuck ever said I was a janitor?
Just saying. You fucking deal with a lot of bullshit, right?
Yeah, I'm doing what right now.
I ain't fucking scared of you, bro. I already fucking died one.
Not scared of me, huh?
Fuck do you want, man?
Let me see your wrist. That's what I want. Right
It's the
now.
same shit, dude. I'm fucking clean. I'm no threat to you, alright?
And your mouthy girlfriend.
She ain't my fucking girlfriend, dude. She's good.
Oh, whoa, whoa. You're gonna sneak around my house ranked with weapons? What, are you trying to kill me and my brothers or what?
Not yet.
You don't fucking say. You just said a fucking
Dude, not everyone's a bitch like you. Can you shut the fuck up?
If you die in the...
What are you doing bringing her around
I'm not-
my house?
I told you I'm not with her, dude. I just ran into her. I was coming to see you, man.
No,
I was
he
coming to
stalked me. He stalked me.
I stalked you? This ain't fucking social media, bitch. This is VR. I'm just in the neighborhood, bro. I'm no threat to you. I'm just chilling, okay?
No threat, huh? You could flip that switch at any time.
The
Look what I found down by the bar.
Gee, what the fuck are you doing in here?
I thought that'd be perfect. Wait, why the fuck is he here? He's the one that's been killing me and beating the shit out of me almost every day.
Wait a second. You're the motherfucker that's been fucking with my brother?
Yes!
Dude, I mean, look at this guy. He's a fucking easy target, man.
Fuck
it's like
you.
hitting a pinata more XP keeps coming out.
Easy target my ass. Last time you fucked with him is the last time you fuck with him. You understand me?
Man, what the fuck ever, dude? I ain't listening to
Yeah,
your shit.
you understand
Oh,
him?
shut the fuck up, dude. Oh,
Bitch.
the fuck.
Fucker.
Am I coming for you?
Yeah, please.
Enough of this killing bullshit. Mouthy girl. Do you guys understand what fucking family you're fucking with?
Yeah, dude. It's fucking Solomon's family. You ain't even fucking part of that shit.
Oh, I'm not part of it. I am it now. Solomon left me in charge. Did you seem to forget that?
Yeah, congratulations, dude. That's all I've been hearing. You're the boss. You ain't doing shit.
Yeah. Like I said, next time I see you motherfuckers around, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, both of your whole families, and every one of your associates. Next time you try to fuck with my little brother Gingy, me and my 11
Bro,
brothers,
your little brother Gingy just fucking spat in my face. What the fuck do you think I'm gonna do?
that's gonna be the least of your worries next time you fuck with Gingy. Because I'm telling you, my 11 brothers and me, we're coming. We're gonna hunt you to fuck down. And I'm telling you, I will personally kill you myself. And believe me, I've been wanting to for a while. Do I make myself perfectly clear?
Well, John, let the games begin then.
Maybe we don't fully understand each other. I didn't even catch your name. What is your name?
It's Rebekah, you asshole.
Oh, well, Rebekah, you asshole. Do you know what the fuck this is?
Does it look like I fucking care?
What is that, bro? Cookie jar?
This is our family jar of XP. It gets refilled every day.
Damn, bro. Better fill that shit up regular. Get your boys. Go out and loot.
Yeah. I think someone already went out and looted, because that's where it came from.
What the fuck, man? I ain't fucking doing it. I haven't been in your jar, man. I haven't been around this area, dude.
It has nothing to do with being in the jar, Isaac. It has all to do with our family territories on the map.
Territories?
Yes.
You fucking own this world?
Yes, I told you I run this motherfucker.
Look, bitch, I ain't fucking... Wait, if you have so shit respawns?
It
Then look...
respawns every 24
No
hours.
shit, man. Well, I haven't fucking touched it, alright? Yo, I'm on rank, dude. No interest in XP.
You're unranked until you flip your little switch on your helmet, and I'm telling you, if I catch you in any of them motherfucking spots, I'm gonna kill you my fucking self. Do you understand?
I understand, man. I just play for funsies, okay?
Got a little present for your mouthy girlfriend.
She ain't my fucking girlfriend, bitch.
I got 5 bags of XP here for you, sweetie. I want you to give
Yo, dude, you're doing the same dumb shit Solomon did with the...
Fuck up. Did I ask you, bitch? No. Back to you. 5 bags of XP. You give them out to your friends. You tell them if they want any more, they can come see that sexy mobster John.
Okay, I'm out. Thank you for the XP. I don't fucking care. Are you
Are
coming?
you guys going? Where are you going?
Bye.
We're fucking leaving, dude.
Hey, listen. The same fucking rule applies. Next time I catch you, you're fucking dead.
Hey, hold up. We ain't done here. I still need that XP. The shit you stole from Arachnid.
Oh. Well, here. You can add the stuff from sexy mobster John instead.
Where are you going?
Goodbye, Isaac.
Am I gonna see you again?
I hope so.
Thank you. Shit. She's awesome. Oh fuck! I gotta get to Leah's or Tommy's house, brother.
Hey, where you going?
I'm going to Tommy's house. Leah's supposed to be there, so I was gonna go chill.
Well, don't be too late, all right?
Okay. The fuck is your problem, bitch? You drank too much? Did you kill a baby?
I'm like, you fucking care.
I don't care.
I'm having twins.
Really? How the fuck how to figure that?
The doctor heard the heartbeat and he saw 2 things. So I'm having twins.
Nice. Cool. Congrats. I'm happy for you both. That's fucking awesome. Cool.
Would you please?
Whatever, dude.
Hey, how was great Aunt Martha?
Fine. She's good. She's old as shit. Fuck cares?
Did you take your VR helmet?
What does it fucking matter? Do I need a fucking reason? Jesus Christ.
You gonna let him fucking talk to you like that?
I got it under control. You all right?
I'm gonna puke.
I think I'm here. I just had to let myself in a garage. I don't know where the fuck I'm going though.
Alright, just come in the basement.
Where the hell is that? I see 1 door. I see 2 doors over here.
Alright, where's the big metal door? Come on, go.
Big metal.
Alright.
What did you just say?
Nothing, just go down the stairs behind the metal
Oh
door.
yeah, no, I see. It's all behind this cement shit. Is somebody gonna come let me in or what?
Yeah, Tommy let you in.
I come to see you, not him.
What, you want me to let him in?
What do you say?
Tommy will let you in.
Okay, I'll see you in a sec.
Just chill out.
Oh, fucking Tommy. Yo, what's up, Tommy?
Isaac. Damn, you ain't changed a bit, have you?
The fuck is that supposed to mean, man?
Nothing, man. I see you just like that emo getup still.
Emo, get up, bro. It's my fucking black hair and I like black,
Alright,
dude. It's
relax,
not fucking...
dude. Yeah. It's alright. Just like
Oh,
high
I
school.
come in, dude?
Yeah, come on in. Just like high school.
Yeah, how you doing?
Oh, dude, I'm fucking great.
Yeah, you look it, bitch.
Yeah.
Damn, man. Didn't know you had this big ass basement.
Oh yeah, bro. I be throwing all the bangers down here.
Bangers.
Yeah, dude, all the fucking time.
Where's my fucking invite, dude?
Isaac, ain't nobody coming here if your ass is here.
And why the fuck not?
Dude, they afraid they're gonna get shot up or something.
Get shot? Oh, cause you think I'm a fucking emo. You think somebody think I'm a school shooter or something? I don't even have a fucking gun, dude. And if I was a school shooter, I'd be shooting your bitch ass first.
Is that a fucking threat?
Yeah, it is, bitch.
You better watch what you say in my own fucking house, dude.
Hey, Isaac.
This is a house. Hey, Leah. It's good to see you. Damn, bro. We having a banger tonight?
That's why nobody's here, because you're here.
Nice. So, fuck, what do you guys want to do?
Shit, I don't fucking know. Got some cards. Got some money? I doubt it.
Yeah, I could pull some money out if you want to do cards.
Yeah.
So,
Let me see some cash. I don't. Yeah, you probably ain't got it anyway.
my dad's got fucking plenty, man.
Yeah,
I'm good. Yeah. So what the fuck's going on here?
Are you gonna sit down or you just gonna stand
Yeah,
there?
dude, I mean, I'm just waiting for permission, bro.
Alright.
Fucking had to let myself in.
How's it going, Leah?
It's okay. How about you?
You know, things are all right. So, what are we doing? I don't really fucking feel like playing cards.
You tell me, bro.
You just sit here and talk.
She's the one who wanted you to fuck over, so.
What is this? Fucking confession?
Would you go to church, bro?
And why the fuck would that be a problem, dude?
Dude, you are a fucking loser.
Oh, fuck, y'all. What have you been up to, Tommy? Since high school?
Dude, life's been fucking great, bro.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
What's going on, man?
Dude, I got a full scholarship to rowing. I'm playing soccer.
Rowan?
I love.
You know how fucking shit that school is?
Well, where you going, bro? What are you doing?
I ain't going anywhere, man.
Yeah?
Just chilling.
You at mommy and daddy's house still?
Not my. I'm good, man.
Yeah.
I'm still.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm still at my
What are you
dad's
doing?
house. The fuck? What does it matter, dude? I ain't gotta fucking prove myself to you. I ain't some fucking foot fairy, dude.
Okay.
You get fucking money because you can fucking play with balls, dude. Congratulations.
Yeah, you're funny, dude.
I'm playing games, man.
Playing games.
Virtual reality.
Virtual what?
Virtual reality.
You're still playing that?
Yeah. I'm working really hard in the game, and I'm actually progressing.
Alright, stop creeping her all the fuck out, dude.
She's played it before, dude. Have you ever played a fucking video game in your life?
Dude, I'm too busy playing soccer, bro.
Too busy playing soccer. You know there's fucking soccer video games? You know what? Here. I have an idea.
Yo, dude, easy. What the fuck's in the bag?
You think I got some fucking contraband or some shit? It's the helmet. I brought the helmet with me.
The helmet.
That's what it's a virtual reality helmet, dude. You never seen anything like this stuff.
Oh, God.
You want to talk so much shit? Why don't you try it on, pussy?
What the fuck is that?
It's a VR helmet. Try it on, bitch.
I gotta try that shit on for.
Just put it on. It's like a fucking head ball, dude.
Tommy, don't do it.
Let him do it. He thinks he's
I'm not
not
scared.
shit.
I ain't scared of this shit.
There you go. You just
Tommy,
grab the
please
fucking
don't
strap
put
and
it
put it
on.
on.
I'm telling you, don't.
Yo, what the fuck, dude? The fucking faceplate just dropped on this shit.
Look at this little bitch.
Dude, it's not funny, man.
For the pieces of his little.
This is not something that you can just find at the stores, dude.
Oh,
This
dude,
is like
you're
this
such
is
a
in beta.
bitch.
I'm not a bitch,
God.
dude. You know what?
Get another one at the thrift shop, dude.
No, it doesn't work like that. This is in beta. I don't even know why the fuck I came here. What is that?
Fuck's what?
Why are you?
Oh, you don't know? She's my girl, bro.
What?
Yeah.
Since when does this happen?
You know we used to fuck around in high school.
You used to fuck around? It's the first time hearing about it, Leah. Didn't want to tell me that?
I guess there's a lot of things you didn't know happened in high school.
I don't know why the fuck
matter
I
of
came
fact.
here.
Oh, what the fuck was that name we used to have for you?
What name? What are you
Oh,
talking about?
shit. We used to have a name for him in high school.
What are you talking about,
Oh, we
Tommy?
used to call him all the time.
I
Oh,
have a
shit.
YouTube channel.
What was it?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Oh, Isaac killed her.
What?
That's the one. Isaac killed her.
That's not my fucking name, dude.
Well, what's the matter? You don't like that name?
Stop.
No, I don't
Tommy.
fucking like that
Don't
name. Why don't you
call that.
stand up, bitch?
Yo, Tommy, stop.
You got a problem here, bro? You want to hit me?
You never fucking call me that. again.
Isaac killed her?
Stop it!
I said, don't fucking call me that!
Stop
You're
it!
ill. I will fuck your shit up!
Stop it!
Beat the fucking shit out of this guy!
Stop!
Dude, get in here! You wanna fuck your fucking boyfriend, Leah?
Get the fuck
This is
out
some
of my house.
bullshit!
If I ever
You wanna?
see you again, I'll fucking kill
I
you,
will
bro.
fucking rip your head off, bitch! Don't fucking cross me again! You wanna talk about? Hey, Leah, you tell your boyfriend to chill the fuck out. If I ever see him again, I will fuck his man. Fuck this shit! Fuck this shit!
Get the fuck out of here! The fuck did you bring him here for?
Sorry.
I will fucking kill him.
Just please sit down. I'm sorry.
I don't want you fucking talking
I'm
to him
sorry.
anymore.
I didn't mean it to happen like this. I'm sorry.
That guy's a lunatic.
I'm sorry.
You good, bro? Rebekah, you alright or what's going on?
Where'd you get all this stuff from?
If you're asking if I got it from the blue-haired bitch, no.
Then where'd you get it from?
Well, so the 5 bags I just put in, those were from her, but she took the rest, and by taking I mean she like took it. She's wrecked now. Yeah, she's got the V on her wrist, which I think is it 5?
Yeah, V's 5.
V's, yeah, okay, yeah, V is 5.
So then where'd you get it from?
That night, that was a blur. I gotten some bags from the looting. There's trees. There's some in my garage. I was beating up that ginger bitch for some Solomon little brother, and then traded the gold gun to Elijah for some XP. Got a decent amount there, and then there was actually another gun that I traded from the ginger for XP as well, and some more looting, I think was...
Stupid motherfucker. You got rid of the gold gun?
Yeah, I got rid of it so I can get some XP. That was kind of the whole point.
That gun could have took out any rank player.
I get that, dude. I mean, I have a fucking weapon now. I got good old Hammerhead here. I could
fucking Solomon out with that gun.
You could take Solomon out with whatever. We now have XP, so we can take out even more because we'll be more powerful, right? What are you staring at, bro?
Where'd you get that fucking knife from?
This? I've had this, dude. This is the shit I almost stabbed you when you were fucking pretending to be Santa Claus. I've had this knife for years.
Where'd you get it from?
I don't remember where I said years ago, man. You probably ordered this shit off Amazon, dude. I fucking don't know where it came. There's probably so many people with this knife. You like it? You want one? This is my weapon now, dude. I don't need a gun. I don't know one bullet. What the fuck is that, dude?
It's what?
There's a fucking spot of blood on the floor right there, dude. Right by your foot.
I don't know. I might have cut myself yesterday.
You cut your... What are you, shaving out here?
No, I train out here.
You train? How do you cut yourself on fucking weight set?
I got a knife over there. I do moves with my knife.
Alright. Are you sure you're good, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay?
Honestly? I mean, you said not to talk about real life, so... I'm not okay, man. I just got some real life shit going on. You don't want to hear about that, so...
Yeah, you did a good job, man. I mean, look. Look at all this XP you got. I'm impressed. Took me months to get that much.
You're impressed.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Good
man.
job. We can rank up.
Serious? You think this is enough? You think?
Oh,
Split
yeah.
between the two of us is
Yeah.
we're gonna do this?
Yeah, we can rank up. You go first.
You go first. We're doing this together. I thought we'd do this fucking at the same time.
No, it's a team. Remember?
Yeah, team piece of shit. You're the fucking shit captain, bro. So you do that shit first.
Well, being the captain, then I guess I get to order you to go first.
Yo, I think we gotta think about this thing, man. Cause when you fucking die in real life.
You do this, there's no turning back.
What if I gotta eat food? How the fuck am I gotta fucking get an IV in or something? How's it gonna work? Can I take off the helmet and log off?
You'll figure all that shit out. You ain't got to worry about that stuff.
Dude, my rules burnt the fuck up. I don't know. Could you
Well,
do
you're gonna
it
have
just
to-
so I know?
I told you.
You're the guy who's been around the game for so long.
You're going first.
All right, I just feel like it deserves some more thought. There's no going back. We gotta be sure.